Welcome to Digifall Tech. If you are new in my YouTube channel, then please subscribe and press the bell button and also click the notification icon. Please like and share my videos. And now we start tech news number 229. So first news is Vodafone Idea launches 819 rupees new recharge plan with G5 subscription. Total validity 84 days. Redmi 9 Prime will be launched on 4th of August 2020 on Amazon exclusively, but you can purchase only at 6th of August and 7th of August at Amazon Prime Day sale. Samsung Galaxy A32 5G phone will be spotted and Galaxy A52, A72 also be spotted in the background coded language form or Android operating system source code. NPCI has been affected with more than 40 security vulnerability in 2019. This will be big question mark to NPCI department. Asus will be refresh new ZenBook series, VivoBook series in India market with Intel 10th generation CPU. Starting price will be 80,000, but I will suggest you that no one purchase this notebook. Realme V5 will be spotted with 5000 mAh battery, 7nm MediaTek Dimensity 720 processor with 5G support, 30 watt fast charging. Pixel 4a 5G model will be spot again and Pixel 5 XL will not launch this year. Vivo S7 official render will come. We will see that Vivo X50 like gimbal setup camera will be there in Vivo S7. Honor 9A price leaked at 12,000, but if this price is true, then this phone will be definitely flop. No one purchase it. Huawei beats Samsung in global market first time Q2 2020. Samsung Bird Live leaked image will refresh the design, render wing tips, square charging case, etc. Samsung Galaxy M31s launch in India at 19,500 for base variant carrying 6GB RAM, 128GB storage, 6000 mAh battery, 25 watt fast charging, USB Type-C connectivity, dedicated memory card slot, Super AMOLED display, Android 10, One UI screen, and most famous Samsung processor is there, Exynos 9611. OnePlus 8T also spotted in Geekbench carrying 8GB RAM, Snapdragon 865 SoC, but said Android 11 out of the box, not a Snapdragon 865 Plus processor. Qualcomm suggests to delay launch of iPhone series, but depend on that Apple will accept Qualcomm suggestion or not. Google One phone book backup launch. This will be free for now, but in future there will be charge for $2 per month. Till 15GB it will be free. Samsung say strong demand for memory chip overcame impact of pandemic on smartphone sale. This will work and improvement the sale drop from Samsung sides. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G render hint at bigger outer display, hole punch design, 5G connectivity. Launch date will be August 5. Several mid-range smartphone and entry-level smartphones are coming from Nokia sides, but Nokia should target most at Indian market and launch some better and good phone at specification price only. Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro Plus carrying customizable GPU and Snapdragon 865 chipset processor. This will be said that why company are not using 865 Plus at Q3, Q4 2020 products. New Motorola Moto G Pro will be leaked, just like another name Moto G stylus, carrying a stylus but having a just average category of specs. Galaxy Note 20 family come with older version of Exynos 990. Maybe company know some tweak and say this will be Exynos 990 plus variant. But frankly, we have not interested in buying a flagship phone in 2020 with amount more than 70,000 and above without a Snapdragon processor. If you like my video, please support my channel and please daily visit for more information and latest news. Thank you and have a nice day.